Good morning, class 9th. Welcome to English Literature Period LFCS online classes. First book, Beehive is going on. From his first lesson, the fun they had has been completed. After that, first poem, The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken. This poem, The Road Not Taken, is being accepted, is being adopted by us. This poem has been composed by Robert Frost. Robert Frost. So, before getting summary of this poem, we should gather some information about the writer, about the poet, Robert Frost. Actually, Robert Frost was an American poet, and he is very highly regarded for his realistic depictions of rural life. He always focuses rural life, and very deeply, very clearly. The road not taken, not taken. In the life of every person, two roads come. Two roads come. It means so two fields come. दो फील्ड आते हैं, and he or she has to select one of them which is beneficial, which proved more beneficial for him. But for it is very difficult to select. It is very difficult to select because to select it, a great mind, a talent, or wisdom is needed. The poet Robert Frost, one day he was walking through a yellow forest. Actually here, yellow forest, with the help of yellow forest, the poet wants to explain everyone meaning of the life, but he has taken a forest to explain this. He was walking through a yellow forest. He came a spot where the road was divided into different directions. He was confused too much. Which road should be selected, should be picked up? He was confused. So he stood silently to consider about them. Looking at the both roads, he was confused. Why? Because both roads were looked equally attractive. There was no difference between them. It was very difficult to decide which road should be taken. After few moments, he realized that one of the roads was more grassy. More grassy means so lot of grass were grown on that way, on that road. Very clearly, obviously, few people had walked on that road. The poet Robert Frost decided to take that route. But just then he also thought that he would walk the other route some other day, but it was impossible able to return to that route. It means every man gets two ways in his life to proceed. Now which way, which line, which field of life should be taken up by him? It depends on his wisdom, talent. One road, one way, which is accepted, which is followed by so many people in the life, but other is rarely accepted by anyone. Rarely. If anybody wants to show something different from others, he should have some unique thinking. He should select, he should decide to take up unique field in the life. If he decides, if he accepts that way, it is certain he is different from others and performs something unique from others. Now, this is summary of this poem. Just I told you. Write this summary in your own words, in your practice copy, not in fair copy. Tomorrow I will provide you summary of this lesson in my own words on the board. I will provide you written summary. Then you will write in your fair copy. Thanks. Have a nice day.